Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So far in React learning series, you have understand what is rendering, what is virtual DOM, real DOM, how we can render multiple elements, how we can you can say render list, or so many concepts and directory structures you have understand. But one thing we should remember that in JavaScript, most important part is the component. This app.js is also one component, and we need more component to build more React applications. So first of all, we need to understand what is components. So as you know that in a website, we have so many parts: header, footer, you can say articles. So each and every the part of a particular, you can say, website is maybe a component, like text button, list, combo, checkbox. All these are component. With the help of these component, we can build any web page. Similarly, in React also we develop or we create so many components, and with the help of component we can make website. We can repeat the component also, we can reuse the component also. So in this video we are going to create a component. In React we have two types of components. First, by using function, is called functional component, and second by using class, is called class component. So what is component? So components are a small part of your application that used to build large web application like button, text, fields, forms, image, tags. All are components. Components can be reused. Component can be reused. There are two types of component in React. First is functional, second is class. For functional component, we use functions. For class component, we use class. The question arises, which one is more beneficial, more powerful, more useful? Both are equivalent. It depends on your knowledge. If you knows function better, use function. If you knows class, use class. But as per object oriented programming, as per industry requirement, class components are more useful as compared to functional components. So in this video I am going to explain how you can create function components in your React. So here in src directory I need to create one more folder. I say component. Under this component folder I create one function component and I say my counter dot JSX. Remember JSX, or you can create JS also, depend on you. Now you can put JS also, JavaScript file, or JSX also, JavaScript component also. Now we need to use one plugin that we installed in first video, that is called simple snippets. So here if you see, there are so many shortcuts to import library that we require. For example, I want to import the React library plus the component. So what I do, I need a React like this. In JS also, if you see, we have this and we have a function here, and then we export this function as a default. Similarly, we have to create, so I can create the React. So I say imr and tab, so automatically this plugin will install me React if I required. Then I need function, and I say the name of this function is my counter, remember, and I just do this, and at the last I do export default my counter. So like this, just create a function, and here I use my counter and I did this, or I can make any name which you want. Now here I need the long, you can say the root tag. So for that I am using here React.fragment. I can use React.fragment also. This is the, you can say, the tag that is required to put my code under the root tag. If I use here div tag, so first of all I will have a root, then under that I will have a div, then I will have a subtag. But if I use React.fragment, then directly under a root tag I will have my code. That code would be, I say for my counter, I say button, and I put this button as a decrement. So I say minus decrement, then I have a text, so I say span tag, and here I say the value counter 0, and then I say one more button, and here I say increment like this, and may I have the value also. I say let count equal to 0, and here I can put count also. Like this, I save it. So you see, I just make one counter type of component. Now it's time to use this component here. So for that I have to import it. So I can import it here. I say import, and the name of this is my counter, and automatically we just import this from this file. Now I need to use it. So where I'm using, not, I don't have to use here, just I cut here from here. I want to use directly it under the, I just close this, under the index file, and here I just import this, and I want to remove this. In place of this I want to use my counter like this. Save it. So I am replacing this app component. In place of app I am using my on component, and you see that in index I replace this, and I go to this, and I am not having output. Why? Okay, because I not use return keyword, that is a problem. So I need to use return keyword also, return like this, and here I need to put like this. So return is must, and you see we have a decrement, increment, and the center we have a 0 here. So like this I made one component as per my requirement. So this is called functional component. And remember, it is just similar to the app component is given. You see the one component is given app, we have written also here, we have exported. Similarly, we create over component as a functional component, and we made a simple counter application for increment and decrement is not running right now. We do not have any CSS also. We are going to do in future, we are going to install a bootstrap, and we will see how we can get help from the bootstrap. So that's all in this video. See you in next video for understand class component also. I think you learn something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you for more video also.